Hey y'all, so this wig was sent over to me from LuxeHair, and inside they gave the wig, obviously, and then a little thing of goodies. Let me know down in the comments if they give y'all goodies as well. They also gave this Christmas card, and I thought that was cute, and then this thing for your edges, I believe, to like tie your edges down, I think. And so yeah, this is the wig. It is a Kinky Straight 24-inch V part wig. And look at that texture. I actually like the way the texture looks before it was washed. I mean, it was still kinky after it was washed, but I just love how like blown out it looks, and just it really mimics like natural hair when it's blown out. But this is the construction of the wig. It has the clips around like the V part, and then a clip in sort of kind of like the middle of the wig, and then it has the regular combs on the side, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And this is another look at the V part, but you know, I like to show you what the wig looks like before I co-wash it. Okay, so this wig needs to be blown out a little bit because it's still kind of wet. This is my little section that I have sectioned off. But first, this is what the wig looks like, semi-dry. Like I said, it's still a couple of parts in here that's just a little bit damp. Because I did have it kind of like laying down, like at the root, it's kind of damp. Okay, so this is my little anchor braids on each side, and this is my leave out. Just this. I didn't take any additional leave out to do the anchor braids. I took some hair from the leave out to do the anchor braids. So this is the leave out. And my hair has so much like oil and stuff in it. It's so way down, but it'll be fine. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all this in real time. Like, I didn't speed this portion up because I want you to see just literally like how quick it is to do it. I did kind of like, I was getting the combs a little bit caught in just my leave out because that section is so small. And like I was saying, you literally, well, I have the tiniest bit of leave out, so you really don't need much leave out because of how the wig is constructed. But I wanted to show you in real time, like this was pretty quick. So for this portion, I wanted to show you that you could potentially wear this without any leave out if you wanted to. But for me, I feel like it doesn't look as like super natural and unclockable as I would like because it is straight. So too much teasing will look a little crazy and then not enough. And you could see the kind of like lace or whatever that material is. like when I did my first ever like V-part curly wig, a lot of y'all was talking about, oh, the part looks wide, and it's like, that's just how my part is naturally. Like, as you can see, like, it's just naturally not a super like thin, a super dense part. That's just how it is. Okay, so this is the final result, the final look, the final give. And I must say, I really like this, especially like if you wear your hair natural and you like to go from straight to curly or whatever the case may be, like you could do it and wear like the kinky straight or like the kinky curly and literally like still have your hair protected. Now I would recommend not always wearing it in like the same part. Like if you do like a middle part at one point, maybe you do a side part the next time, so that way like you don't put too much strain on like that particular portion of leave out, and just kind of like, you know, switch them out. But this is really cute and it was really quick, and it only required me to have literally the tiniest bit of leave out. And I flat iron my hair on low heat. Is it blew out? Or, yeah, I blew out only like the leave out portion. I didn't blow out anything else, and I did that on low heat as well. I mean, I always blow dry my hair on low heat, but all that to say, like, it was minimal heat to look like you really just came from the salon and got a blowout. You know what I'm saying? Now, as I showed you, like, I feel like if you do the anchor braids real tiny, you might be able to wear this with no leave out and have it look natural, like how I showed you on the one side. If you do like the braids super skinny like that, like you might be able to wear it without any leave out. But I feel like because it's straight, it's just harder to like get away with it, because it's like if you tease it too much, then it looks a little crazy. I feel like a kinky curly texture would be easier to maneuver and not have any leave out, because it's kinky curly. So it's like curls that you could like, you know, it looks okay if it's super frizzy and teased, but something that's meant to be like straight, like it's supposed to be more sleek. So it just was a little bit harder for me anyway to kind of like get it to look natural without any leave out. So here we have just like this, literally you saw the tiniest bit of leave out, and I appreciate that, okay? Especially because my hair is not really heat trained, so you know, the less the better for me. Okay, so that's a wrap. Once again, shouts out to Nadula Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. The links for this wig and the company will be in the description box if you're interested, so be sure to check that out. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of the style and of the video and everything. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You know, all of that good stuff, and I'll catch you on my next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.